back to my channel, and if you're just tuning to my channel, you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos. Okay guys, without further ado, in today's video we're going to be making we're going to be stretching our natural 4C hair with Flexi Rod. So I've done a video on how to stretch my natural 4C hair using African thread. So I'm going to be dropping a link on the screen or in the description box so that you can go and check the video out. If you don't like this method, and you prefer that method, you can check that video out. So guys, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. First off, I already have my hair dried, my hair washed, and it's a little bit damp. Yeah, so it's a little bit damp. Just washed it this morning, so let me just use the opportunity to do the video. First off, I'm going to be sectioning the hair, putting it into 2 sections. So I'm going to split the hair into 2 sections. I'm going to be working with this side of the hair first before I move to this side of the hair. I'm going to subsectioning the hair into 2. So in this section of the hair, I'm going to be going in this section of the subsection of this hair, I'm going to be going with grease and leave-in conditioner. And leave-in conditioner. I'm going to be taking my comb to comb the hair. Then I'll take my Flexi Rod and just twist it around the hair and roll it up. And secure it. And that's it. It's quite simple. So I'm going to be doing the second one here so you can see it. Grease or shea butter, anyone you have to use. So I'm using grease, then leave-in conditioner, any leave-in conditioner of your choice. So all the knots are out. Then take the Flexi Rod, put it in the middle, then that's it. So I'm going to be doing the same thing to this section and all around it. So it's quite easy. I'm done with this hair for now, so I'm going to cover the hair and losing it tomorrow. So I'm going to leave it overnight because I'm not going anywhere, so I'm going to be leaving it overnight, like the whole day, then the night, then tomorrow I'm going to be losing the hair. So guys, that's it, and I'll be right back. So hi guys, welcome back. So this is 24 hours after the video I did last time, more than 24 hours. So this is the hair, it's dried. So I'm going to be loosening the hair so that you can see how the hair stretched out. You can see the hair is really stretched out. So this is the hair. You can see how well it's stretched from the first video to this one. So this is the hair after I stretched it out. So I'm going to just use this to pack the hair up. I'm going to use my edge control for the edges. So this is the hair. So this is the hairdo. Can see the difference from that view and this hair with the Flexi Rod. So if you want to stretch your natural fussy hair and you don't want to use it to stretch your natural fussy hair, you can either use this Flexi Rod or use the African thread, which I've done a video on it before, to try and stretch your natural fussy hair, and it's quite easy. This is quite easy because I prefer this because this one is faster, and before I know it I'm done. But I have to do it one after the other, and it still came out well. But that other one stretched it better than this, to me, my own opinion. That other one stretched it better than this, but it still stretched the hair nevertheless. So you can either use this Flexi Rod or you use African thread to stretch your natural fussy, and that's it guys. So guys, this is it. So if you watch this video to this very end, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.